ang paboritong panghanda sa Noche Buena or Medianoche or kahit Christmas party or potluck. Eto, gagawin natin today ang napaka-simple, napakasarap na macaroni fruit salad. We will make our dressing first. It's very simple but very important. We are going to use all-purpose cream. Dapat chilled siya at least overnight, no? Tingnan mo ha, firm yung texture niya. Bakit firm yung texture niya? Because it was chilled overnight. Pag minadali mo siya, hindi mo ma-achieve to, no? Kahit ilagay mo pa sa freezer, it has to take time. So, the day before, lagay mo na sa chiller and it will firm up like this. And what I will add to this is mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise, whatever mayonnaise na trip mo, combine natin siya ng ganyan. And because this is a fruit salad, combine natin, no? Hindi siya wet, di ba? Firm siya dahil properly chilled to. To give it a nice sweetness, we will add condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk. So, ang recipe ko dito, 2 all-purpose cream, 1 cup na mayonnaise, and 1 can of condensed milk. Yan ang aking dressing. Very nice, very simple. Dapat properly chilled. Ayan. Medyo marami tingnan yung ating dressing, but very important kasi dito is because we are using macaroni noodles. Chill din natin yung ating macaroni noodles. So, importante dito ay marami dahil i-absorb pa ng noodles yung ating cream. So, pag konti lang ginawa mo, konti lang nilagay mo, magtataka ka, after chilling it for a few hours, naging dry. Ito siya. Dapat good amount of dressing. Napaka-simple lang. Fruit cocktail, kaong, or whatever you have, nata de coco, raisins, kung mahilig ka sa raisins, lagyan ng raisins. Ito talaga yung nagpapasarap, yung tamis, alat. Lalagyan natin ng diced cheese. Papansin mo mayat-maya, pag ma-chill mo to, mamumula na siya ng konti, di ba? Kasi kalat yung kulay ng ating mga kaong, nata de coco, or what have you. And add our diced cheese. And remember, after mixing this, you will have to chill this for at least 6 hours. Huwag sa freezer, sa chiller lang. Ganyan lang kadali yung ating macaroni fruit salad. And for me, titikman ko, dapat maghiwa-hiwalay yung ating cheese. Napaka-creamy. Everything is there. And I'll get a spoonful. Later on, as you chill this, mag-firm to. Sobrang ganda ng ating texture. Very creamy, very rich, manamis-namis, with a bit of saltiness from the cheese. Ang sarap niya. Garnish with raisins, cherries on top. Pwedeng takpan mo ng grated cheese pa, no? Ako. It's good enough. Ating very simple, quick dessert recipe for the holidays. Ang ating macaroni fruit salad. Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!